Hello everyone, today I decided to paint outside and this is JMLisondra. If you are staying with me, let's paint. Okay, I decided to go in our local freedom park and I love this place everyone because I was playing there since I was young, and I chose this part here because I can see the perspective and a beautiful ocean. Yeah, so let's start by preparing our canvas. And then we can set up now our easel, and then we can put our canvas. What I love about painting outside everyone is that I can see the real colors, the perspective, unlike the photos that it will be so dark and so light. And also I can feel the wind on my face. Yeah, that's very good about painting outside. You can be with the nature, not just like staying always in your studio. Just stay with me, enjoy, and watch the entire process on how I will unveil the secrets of this plein air painting. Okay, everyone. So this is the result of our plein-air today. I really love it, and it just took me not even 1 hour, maybe some 40 minutes. And I love the view, everyone. I love the colors. I can follow the colors in real life, not the same with the photos. And this is my friend Jean. She paints with me, and she just graduated fine arts, and that's her output. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day, and God bless you all. All the glory, honor, and power, praise belongs to the Lord. Amen.